Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use sum as a window function. So in this example, I'm just selecting from this table called sales, and let me just order by item and then sale date. So pretty simple table. We have item, so we have fonts and tablets here. We have the sale date, like the date it was sold on, and the sale price. So let me select the item, sale date, sale price. Okay, so I'm selecting the item, the sale date and sale price from this table, and I'm sorting by item and sale date. So items, we just have fonts and tablets here, and then the sale date and the sale price. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this sum as a window function. So I'm going to do sum. Let me select the column, so I'm going to do price because I'm summing it based on the price. Now let me just write the basic skeleton. So if I just do or and in parentheses nothing, just leave it blank, and let me give it an alias. I'm just going to call it running total, let's say. So using order by and partition by when you're using sum or an aggregate in window function, it's not required. But it is required when you're using ranking functions, as we discussed in our previous videos. But here it's not mandatory, so we can leave it blank. So let's see what it does now. So I'm just doing sum sale price or blank in brackets as running total. So now let's see. This is actually giving us the total sale price for both of our items, so for fonts and tablets. So if we sum this up, we are gonna get 5,600. And I'm also going to do another aggregate function. So let me just copy paste this here, and here I'm just going to do count, and let's just do it on item. It doesn't matter on count because you can count it on item or sale date or sale price, it doesn't matter. And I am just going to say running count. So let's execute it now. So here is giving you like the total count. So here we have 10. So if you look at it, we just have 10 rows. So it's giving you the total count and the total price. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break it down by item. So here is giving you a sum and the count for both our fonts and tablets. So I want to break it down. I don't want to see them together. I want to break them down. So here I'm gonna just say partition by. I'm gonna break it down by item. So I'm gonna say partition by item, and I'm gonna do the same in count here. So I think I have an extra bracket here. Let me take it out. So now if I execute it, you see here is giving you a running count or the total count for fonts. So we have 4 of them here, and it's only summing total sale price for fonts. And here it's summing it up only on tablets, and the count is also for tablets. Now what I'm gonna do is I am also gonna order by. I can say I'm gonna order by sale date. And let me do the same here. Let me do order by sale date here, and let's execute it now. Now if we do it, it's giving you a running count. So 1 2 3 4, we have one count here, 2 3 4, because we are ordering it by date. So here it's showing you like 1 2 3 4, so that's the total count, running count. So here we have 1 font sold, and then 2 fonts, 3, and then 4, and then it restarts here as soon as tablets start, it restarts here. So since we are partitioning by item, so it's 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the same thing with our sum as well. So here it's showing you as a running sum. So here it shows you 750, and here it shows you 1750. It's summing up these two, and then here on the third row is summing up these 3. And finally here on the fourth one, it sums up all 4. So if we sum them up, we are gonna get 3450, and it's giving you a running total and a running count. And as soon as the new item starts, since we are partitioning by the item, it restarts the running total. So here we start with 400 again because we are starting tablets here. So it's 400 here, and then 1 here. Then it sums up 400 and 350, so we get 750, and then the running count is 2. And then it keeps doing a running total till the end. So here is 2150. So if we sum up all of the sale prices for tablets, it's going to be 2150, and the running count is of course 6. Okay, so this is like super helpful in all sorts of reporting when you want to do like running total, and if you want to partition by or break down data into different groups and do like running count and running total. And I can also do average here, which is going to do the same thing. So if I do average, it's going to perform the same function, except it's going to do average now. So here is performing averages. So average of 750, just 750, and then the average of here is 1000 plus 750. So 1750 is 875. So it's doing an average. So let me just do some here. Let me execute it again, and I can partition it on multiple items, on multiple things, on multiple columns. So I can also say partition by item, and then I wanna break it down by month of the sale date. So I can do month sale date. Now if I do it, you see how it affected the running total. So now it's showing you 750 here, and it shows 1750 here because it's summing these two up. But as soon as the new month starts, even for our fonts here, it restarts the running total. So here it says 900, and then it sums up these two, so 1700, since we broke it down into further partition. Okay, if you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you for watching.